see it. It ain't no good anyway. Don't seem right. Got a little screwdriver.
It's a Phillips though, Daddy.
It's something small. I'm probably already.
That's the what you call, Daddy.
Huh?
That's a yeah.
What is you for? Try your hand. Yeah, that's for torquing. You can break it too.
Let me see. I'm gonna try the impact again, Daddy.
Yeah. Lubrication?
Huh?
You got some lubrication?
I got that what you call you got, Daddy?
What is it? That buster?
No.
Busterizer? God.
Yeah.
Let's try it.
This one on there good. I guess that one may be loose because it was waterly.
Well, they get hot though. They get hot.
Spin and stuff.
Yeah, they get hot. They get hot. Try it one more time, then put that pool ball on it. Reverse it. Go back and forth. Come on, put that on there. Let me try it.
The bar.
Get that on there. Push it on there, son. There you go. Ready? Get it on.
Okay.
It ain't in there good. Gotta go behind here. Gotta go in there. Put it off in there like this. Hold on, let me see it. Gotta lock in. Hold on.
Take this.
Let me see it over here. Let me see it. Right here. I did do it. I had it in there a few minutes ago.
I don't think you had the what you call in there, Daddy. You didn't have this in here?
Take that little bit of one in. Take that little one. See if it'll go down. All I want to do is stick to the road like that. That's all I want right there. You ready? Watch your hand. I don't want to wait for the pool bar.
Try this again.
There's some heat. We heat it up. So it can swell up and come right off of there.
Yeah, this one got it off the other day.
Oh, you put it back on.
Oh, not this side. I'm talking about the other side. That one broke it loose.
But you never tried this.
Yeah.
Always one side will give you some trouble.
Jug on there good.
Yep, somebody put him on there good.
He got that plastic on the end. It actually say do not use again, but
That's coming. Yep, we have a torch, we can heat it up, swell it up, something come right off of it. Let's try tightening it up one more time, Brandon. Take it off. Let's try tightening it. See if I can tighten it. Gotta go the other way, opposite way, ain't it?
the one.
Watch your hand. It's gonna break. Set it up, let me come down one more time. You got the receipt for this?
What's that day?
That pill bar.
I didn't had it a long time.
Where'd you get it from?
Walmart.
Oh, they'll take it back. Come on. Grab the top of it. Grab the top of it.
Okay.
Come on. There you go. Come on. One more time. Ooh, I knew it was gonna happen. I told you.
That jug on there good.
I told you. I knew it was gonna happen.
That swivel head too ain't no good.
I knew it was gonna happen. One of the two.
Let's see if that didn't. Let's see if that helped.
Seems like it moved to me. Seemed like it did.
Yeah.
If not, we'll have to get a torch and heat it up. So we can break it. Cause it moved. Did it move?
You got one of them butane things, Danny?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, I got one.
Got it, Daddy. I got it.
So we did break it loose.
Yeah. I think, and then with these impacts, you gotta have them shoved up on there good, so it can really just impact.
We had to get it loose a little.
Yeah. Had
We
to.
stop after the second.
Yeah.
There we go. Sell it, you'll be able to buy another one. That's part of it though. When you
That one
use it.
greased up still.
Huh?
That one, I think that one good, but might well change it, huh?
What you mean change it? Yeah, I always change it.
It's still greased up.
You got a new one?
Yeah, I brought two.
A new one on it. What it look like?
Still greased up. I mean,
So is that side?
yeah, it was that side for sure. Cause it had, the tire was getting dirty.
Yeah, see how it got 2 prongs in it right there? That's all you would have to do. Pull them or pull it apart, one of the two.
That one look different from this one, didn't it? Like this one been replaced before.
Could have been aftermarket. Yeah. Or just one's a driver, one's a passenger.
And they different.
Yep. What does that look like? That's what it is. One of them a driver, one on passenger.
They're just a little different.
Yeah. But that's probably the original. That's from aftermarket. So you got to do it. That's all it is.
Yeah.
Pull it up. Yeah, because I felt it move that first time. It had to.
Yeah.
Did it come out faster this time than the other one?
Yeah, and this one went on smoother. That one, I don't know if that one was getting some extra water or something. That one was real rusty.
Yeah.
It was real rusty over there.
That could be it. Well, that was quicker, so you did good.
Yeah.
You did good.
I like driving my truck, but it's like I've just been working on it so much here lately.
Well, you know, they say when one thing go out, another thing will go out.
Yeah. I'm tripping.
Just like the start on your mama car. I know it's what it is. When you start up, it goes
Like it don't want
back. It back.
to. Don't got much power.
Yeah, we ain't never done nothing to it, so that ain't bad.
Yeah.
But I would take that off and go get it rebuilt. That way I know it's a good starter.
Yeah. Instead of buying a new one.
You don't want to buy a new one for that car. You want to rebuild that one. Put the original one back on it. Can't be nothing but the Bennett in it, so it ain't like the starter going back.
Yeah.
Just the Bennett.
Yeah. Hello? Hello? Huh? Oh, working on my truck. Yeah. All right. All right, love you. All right. Yeah, they low. They low. We turn it back the other way, did he?
Good.
A little bit more if he can. Okay. You know, I was glad it was. Luckily, this truck don't got ABS all around, cause some of them had an ABS on them. And then if it was a 4-wheel drive, it would have been different too.
Expensive.
Well, it wouldn't have been the same part, but sometimes, you know, when you say it's the right vehicle, then it don't be the right vehicle. But I'm glad it turned out to be the.
Go about a year and a date on it. You got to look on the inside and get the date.
The specific trims and
Like
stuff.
the mama's car, it's a 13 with parts 14 and 15.
Yeah.
The 14 with the parts of 15. The windshield was a 15. 14 wasn't a fit. But it goes like July, August, depends on the date on it.
You might run into the next year.
There you go. But they changed change them up in 14. That's when they change the impeller. But the 15 parts can sit on it.
Oh, I just gotta line it up.
You got tired. You got tired.
Not too bad. It ain't took me as long as I thought it was gonna take me, Daddy. You know, usually I be out here forever doing
I was
stuff.
gonna ask you the other day, you want me to break it loose? We had it already done, but it worked out.
Yeah.
Sometimes, like I say, you know the part coming.
Yeah.
You should have broke it loose yesterday, but it was too hot though.
Yeah.
Got to save you some work, so all you had to do now is put it back together.
It's crazy how all these brakes and stuff be different. I mean, as far as the bolt.
Mine's take a 13.
But I ain't never did when I had them stars on it.
Hold all got the stars.
Yeah.
What you have to take off?
Yes, ma'am. This one was wore out. It was really the right side, but I just changed both of them.
Oh.
Yes, ma'am. I got that one on. I don't got that one on.
That back one is still messed up?
I fixed it. Yeah, I fixed it. Yeah, I fixed it. Sometimes I can judge it by how long I've been recording too, because this battery haven't died. It's about to die though. I've been out here hour 30 minutes.
That ain't bad.
Yeah.
That ain't bad. Probably save you $300-400 though if you took it to the shop.
Yeah. It got me.
Yeah, gonna charge you $100 a wheel. That's the part.
Yeah, then the labor.
No, I'm saying labor gonna be $100 a wheel.
Yeah.
Ain't going.
It is, Daddy. I just gotta get it straightened up. Turn it back the other way down. Yeah, they were supposed to came here today, and then it said they was gonna get here the 10th, but then they said they coming today. I was like, that good.
They don't know what they want to do. Come on in.
Don't be coming from nowhere but Memphis.
Come on in, right there. That's good.
I don't know. Maybe sometimes be like somebody called in to work. They don't gotta You don't got enough people to ship it out, or somebody to run the route. But I doubt that. Amazon, that's a bad. Yeah, they're a bad company. They pretty good. Amazon buying the rights to the NBA. It ain't gonna be on TNT no more.
Billions of dollars.
Yeah, they go on Amazon.
They
Got the contract.
smart though. They're gonna have a contract where they can air all their videos
And they ads on it.
for free. Everybody else they gonna charge.
Yeah. Yep.
What size tires are them?
These
16.
yeah. It's about time for some more, ain't it? Look how I had to do these caps, Daddy.
Engineered.
Yeah.
It's alright.
They fit in there, but they too wide. So I just wrapped some tape around them. And then I got 2 extra ones just in case them come on.
Super.
Yeah.
Been done with it. Look better with them though.
Yeah. Make it stand out. Yeah, it look a lot better with them. And then the other one was like they was the same color as the rims. They make it stick out a little bit. This the same size as that bolt that hold the calipers on. Look nice.
Small boat cover. The nuts are small boat cover.
Yeah.
Studs are small. Take your wrench, brother. Take your wrench, set it in there. You can twist it back. There you go. Get a better hold on it now, see? A lot easier.
Yeah.
You're trying to do it with your hand inside the boat. A lot easier.
Yeah.
It's a regular one.
Yeah. When I do get some more tires, I want to get some bigger tires.
You mean wider?
Well,
Make it stand up?
yeah.
I don't think I'd sell it, man.
Yeah. I just got.
You like me? Wild hair, see?
Yeah.
I like my truck. I want to put a transmission in. I want to rebuild that one. Because I know it's going to be a good truck.
Yeah.
But if somebody comes through with the right money, it's gone. But I'll probably get a transmission for $500-600. But I'd rather rebuild it.
Oh.
Huh?
Oh. So it's running. It need a transmission.
It needs transmission, but I'm not going to take it to the shop for that little wiring problem until I try to figure out if I'm going to keep it or not. Yeah, they'll fix it. So when they go to the shop, it ain't nothing but a wire. You can cut all the radio wires. Stupid mother. You don't cut them wires.
Well,
Never take your original out.
and then you just don't set it up to your liking. You gotta, leave at least what somebody else can work with it.
I would have never took that radio out. That's your first thing in cars.
Yeah.
You want the old ones, don't take the radio out.
Yeah.
Push come to shove, you can just look at the radio and listen to that again. But you can't listen to that.
Yeah.
Get out.
Yeah.
That's something wrong right there.
Yeah.
White truck had a radio play good in it.
Yeah.
I would have never unhooked that radio. Some noise better than no noise at all.
Yeah.
That's the way I felt with it.
I'm gonna put it down and tighten it with the 4-way there.
Yeah, I wouldn't sell it, Brandon.
Okay.
I wouldn't. That's on you.
Yeah. Won't never find another.
Not in that good of a shape. Ain't nothing wrong with it.
Yeah. I just done got tired of working on it. Be wanting to drive it and I can't.
Sometimes you can get in a hurry.
Yeah.
Hey, I sold my black and silver truck, that Silverado. I regret that one. Wasn't nothing wrong with the truck.
Yeah.
Somebody needed it, my co-workers, and I'm trying to help them. I didn't need the money, so why sell it?
Yeah.
But it's life, though. I can't keep all these dogs.
Yeah.
That's why I don't put my colors in my yellow cars. I don't even want to think about selling them. I'll tease them, but I don't want to sell them. I know one thing, if every car in the yard stop, I can get them.
Yeah. Back up plan.
I know one of them gonna start.
Yeah.
Give me another block.
I think I got 4, Daddy.
You got one over here.
Okay.
What other one at?
It's under that camera, Daddy.
You don't need it?
I should be there.
Tighten it up.
Yeah.
Yeah, you don't get rid of something just because it give you a look wrong.
Yeah.
I wouldn't.
Yeah. And like I should never got rid of my first motorcycle.
I tried to tell you. It was yours. Bet you ain't gonna sell that one, is you?
No.
Then it was paid for.
Yeah.
And we screwed up. We should have bought that blue one, Lawrence said.
Yeah.
But nothing wrong with that
It
bike.
was a good one.
I kept trying to jew him down. I should have bought it.
He knew it.
$2,500, $2,600.
Yeah.
That bike is $7,000, $8,000 bike.
Yeah.
But I was trying to jew him down. I didn't need it at that time. But he wasn't hurt to sell it. And I should have bought it, see? I kick myself about that all the time. Had the bat wing on it, had the radio on it.
It was ready.
It had everything I wanted. Hold on.
Okay.
I got to go ahead. It had everything on it I wanted.
Yeah, it was ready.
It already had the music on it.
Yeah.
What you got?
Oh, good. All right. Yeah.
It already had the radio on it.
Yeah.
That saved me $3,000-$4,000 right there.
Yeah, that was the money there.
Oh. That's the way you got to look at stuff when you see things on it
Yeah.
that you ain't got to buy.
It's already ready.
It's already ready. When I seen this car here, he told me what he wanted. I just had to do him down. He said, son, I ain't going. He said, we bought this car brand new. He said, the only reason why I'm selling it because I bought a new one. I don't want to keep putting the insurance on both of them. He wasn't them type of guy.
Yeah.
He was insurance punches on it.
Yeah.
He said, it's going to set
Waste
in the
the
yard.
money.
Well, yeah, like you said, it's going to set in the yard, so why would he do that? See, he probably one of them, he wasn't going to drive. He wasn't even going to let it set in the yard without no insurance.
Yeah.
If he ever wanted to drive it, see, he'd be tempted.
Yeah.
Would not go down. He was 35 strong. Old fat cat showed me where it was. I know what had wrote it. I drove that motherfucker down the road, fat cat said, but I bought it to sell though. I'm gonna sell it.
Yeah. Yeah, this one got brake dust all over it, dude.
Huh?
This one got brake dust all over. This looking dirty. I had just washed it. That joker dirty.
Yeah, I'm giving you the problem. It's grinding.
Yeah.
It's grinding.
Metal on metal. You know what I noticed, Daddy?
What's that?
Every August, I gotta get new motorcycle tires. I get about a year out of them.
That's a racing bike, not a it is a street bike, but it's not.
Yeah. It's harder on the tire.
Every road hard on. Every road is different on that bike.
Yeah.
It's like being on a dirt with one, then you get back on asphalt with one. It's gonna run different. But I wouldn't sell it, man.
Yeah.
If I needed it, I'd buy it. But I wouldn't sell it. Once you needed the money or something.
Yeah.
'Cause that's what they for. When you need the money, sell it. And now you done paid the other car, so you ain't worried about how many miles go on.
Yeah.
It's paid for. I get my money worth out of it.
Yeah.
If I didn't have that truck, I'd buy it.
Yeah.
But I don't need it.
Yeah.
Throw them in there.